Welcome back, dreamers, and today we take you through the construction of our swing chair, which forms part of our Relaxation Garden Transformation. Let's get into it. When we first moved into Billabong Views, there was a lot of this old wood left here, but it's actually a blessing in disguise because some of this wood, when it cleans up, is really, really nice. So we're going to be using that in our project today. So with the cushioning of the chair, we've had the idea to use a cot mattress. So the cot mattress has that protective coating on top. We can put fitted sheets on it, easy enough to take off and clean. We can change the decor if we want to. So a cot mattress in Australia is 130 centimetres long and 69 centimetres wide. So let's choose the wood we need to make it work. So we've selected all the bits of wood we need to use, so the next step is now to cut them to length and then get them all cleaned up. Righto, so that's the wood cut out. So the next bit is time to clean up the wood. And when it comes to cleaning up the wood, we're not going to clean it completely up because I really want to keep that rustic sort of old look about it. So we're mainly really just sort of getting the dust off, getting a little bit of that sort of surface, that sort of greyness off the surface as well, but we'll get into that now. And I just want to show you why I love this old wood so much. The imperfections and the wood grain that you get out of old wood, it just looks so nice. And especially in a project that we're doing here, trying to make the chair look a little bit rustic, it's just perfect. So what I'm using here is an 80 grit sandpaper, which is a medium. It's still pretty coarse, and as you can see, it's taking off the surface, but it's not taking it right back to bare wood, which is what we're after, to keep that sort of nice old-fashioned look about it. So we've got our wood cleaned up. Now it's time to put it together. So this bit's going to form our base. This bit's going to hold where the cushion's going to go. From there, we're going to flip it over. We're going to put our slats on so it holds our cushion. So next we're going to put up the 3 uprights, which is the backrest for the chair. Now for the armrests. Now the armrests are going to be installed with a slight lean towards the front, because when we mount the chair, it's going to be slightly tilted back, so it's nice and relaxed, and then the armrests will end up being flat. So that's the main construction done. All we need to do now is get some eyelets. They bolt onto the side for the rope to go through, put a knot on either end of the rope, then go up over the branch of the tree. We've deliberately left the wood support off the front. That way when you are sitting on the swing, your legs aren't hitting that wood across the front, so it just makes it a bit more comfortable. there it is, folks. Hopefully it's given you a little bit of inspiration. Stick around in the future for a video on the whole relaxation garden transformation. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, make sure you're getting all the notifications, and we'll see you next time on Billabong Views.